Ladies and gentlemen, pilots and spectators, welcome to the ultimate showdown in the sky. Many pilots will enter, but who will survive? We got high-speed dives, crazy aerial combat, and absolutely no mercy. Let's get ready to rumble! Welcome to Fooling Around RC. Today we're throwing down in a full-on air combat. Hit that subscribe button, grab your transmitter, and let's send it. Alrighty, starting off with round one. The objective here is to cut the streamer on the target aircraft. No, you can't use scissors. No, you can't use your hand. You gotta use your RC plane. Cut it any way you can. Ha 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 ha. Oh, he got it. Didn't cut it, but he got it. Oh, another one down. Oh. Competition just dropped to 3. Oh! Nice try. Ooh, he almost got it. And he almost crashed. One of those wings. Oh, he got it! And they're down. One cut the ribbon. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here's round 2. It wasn't so successful in the first round. Let's see if anybody can cut the streamer in the second round. Ha 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 ha. One down already. That is crazy. There's a lot of planes in there. They're trying to cut the streamer on the guy, the chase on the going right there. See the red streamer? Orange streamer. They all over him. Some of them are. Oh, one down. Yeah. Little foam pits is all over it. That's pretty cool. Oh, got him. Oh, another one, two of them down. Or, well, more than that, but two more just went down. Oh, clack wings. Oh, look out. Almost took the guy's head off. Dang, I wish I'd have brought a plane for this. This is crazy. Well, that Pitts ain't giving up on it though. He's staying all on it. Oh, he got it. That was close. He saved it. Nice. Good job, guys. Welcome to round 3. No holds barred. Objective here is to take out the plane with the big red fins.
So wait, line up, you guys, right here. Line up, because we'll launch into the wind.
The one they're trying to take out. A $400 camera sitting on.
Okay. Line up, everybody.
What do you want me to do? Hold it down for the picture. Oh, okay.
Wait. All right, put on your war face.
Hold on, can you go there? Come on, Austin. Just hold it. Yeah. Pirates.
Okay, we're gonna go 5 minutes.
That'd be good.
5 minutes, you guys.
And we'll need to lay down and let it
nobody brings
initialize.
down.
The jar is
You guys
initialized.
Okay.
One more round, we'll do one more, then we're done. And again, remember, this plane is worth $10,000. So it's a huge deal.
Well, if you said the reward for bringing it down was $10,000, it's going down in 5 feet.
I would run after it myself.
Okay, we're ready to party.
Okay,
right,
the
ready?
big plane's gonna launch first, then I'm gonna yell fights on, and then you guys all launch however you want. You might, sometimes you wait a
Motors
second
on.
so that everybody else can.
Hey! I thought I got it in my head. Oh, that was close. Oh, that one. Two down. Oh, he got it. Knock him down. Now he go there and land on top of him, just push him down with them floats. Making one for next year. It's like a wounded fish. He's still going though. I think we found Nemo.